Well, my research is about globalization and food provisioning. In the world we live in today, much food is traded internationally, and this international trade, production and processing leads to environmental problems such as climate change, biodiversity loss, etc. One example of the problems that we are facing can be found in palm oil supply. It is produced in countries like Indonesia and Malaysia, where it contributes to economic development, but at the same time it makes a serious contribution to climate change and to biodiversity loss. So there's a challenge on how to organize that chain in such a way that this sustainability is promoted in the future. Well, the same goes for seafood, which is also a product traded internationally to a high extent, but creates all kinds of environmental problems. When it is produced on land and aquaculture, there is pollution. When it is produced from the sea, there's the risk of depleting fish stocks. We need to address these challenges. And that's where I want to contribute by research on the organization of the supply chain. Ever since I did my studies here at Wageningen, I was interested in global dynamics, international trade relations and food security. And when I finished my studies, I started working in Africa, development projects, supporting agriculture and production. But I learned the challenge that projects alone cannot make that fundamental change that is needed, and there's more need for understanding the global dynamics and the international relationships, and that's where I want to contribute in my work today. Well, I hope my research will contribute to two things. One is the organization of the supply chains. In supply chains we have private actors, private companies, but also governments and NGOs, and together they can contribute to make this more sustainable in every phase of the supply chain. And on the other hand, we have consumers. Consumers are generally ignored as an important actor, but I think we have to take them more serious than we do, because they can actively contribute to more sustainability in supply chains as well.